Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with OpenAI Chat Completions using secure key storage. Full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with OpenAI Chat Completions, you'll need to follow a secure process for key storage. First, ensure you have an OpenAI API key. Visit the OpenAI website and sign in to your account. Navigate to the API section to generate your unique API key. Once you have the key, proceed to store it securely. Do not hardcode your API key directly into your application. Instead, opt for environment variables for better security. On a Unix-based system, you can set an environment variable in your terminal. Use the command export OpenAI_API_key equals your _API_key_ here. For Windows, use the command set OpenAI_API_key equals your _API_key_ here. After setting your environment variable, you can access it in your code. In Python, you can retrieve the API key using the OS module. Import the module with import OS. Then, use os.getinv OpenAI_API_key to access your key. Next, install the OpenAI SDK if you haven't already. Use the command pip install OpenAI in your terminal. Once installed, you can start writing code to use the API. Begin by importing the OpenAI library in your Python script. Next, set up your OpenAI client using your retrieved API key. Call the OpenAI method for chat completions. Use the method OpenAI.ChatCompletion.create to start the interaction. Pass in parameters like model, messages, and max_tokens for customization. Make sure to handle any exceptions that may arise during the API call. Use try-except blocks to ensure your application remains stable. Finally, run your script to test the authentication process. If everything is set up correctly, you will receive chat completions from OpenAI. Be sure to review and manage your API usage in the OpenAI dashboard. This will help you stay within your usage limits and avoid unexpected charges. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.